The public lecture that I attended was from Dr. John DePillis from UC Irvine on special relativity. Beginning with zero knowledge on this topic, here are a few things that I learned. Basically, moving objects shrink in the direction of motion, so the faster you go, the more your shrinkage and the slower your clock. For example, the twin paradox is if two twins are born and one immediately jumps into a spaceship that goes the speed of light, one will be older than the other. So basically, everything shrinks and slows down by a factor of 0.6 based on the Minkowski diagram. So if one twin gets into a spaceship and goes one direction for 15 years, and then changes another direction for another 15 years, going the speed of light the entire way, the twin that stays on Earth will look at the twin as it goes 25 years one way and 25 years as it goes another way. So therefore, one twin will be 50 and one twin will be 30 when both twins land and are together. So, by general relativity, one time will slow down if you are near a mass in extensive acceleration. Another example is the ladder-barn paradox. There are two situations. So a ladder that is longer than the barn is passing through the barn with both doors open. If it's moving fast enough, however, you will be able to close the doors and contain the ladder inside the barn due to relativistic shrinkage. So the top picture is at rest, and the left side of the frame is if the barn is moving and if you're going through the frames in the point of the barn, and the right side is if you're going through the frames in the point of the ladder. And there's two completely different situations. So basically both of these are examples of the destruction of simultaneity, because both of them have seemingly two different things happening at the exact same time, and depending on what frame the observer is in, something else is happening, and then in the other frame, time is different and it's slowing down. So therefore both events are now not occurring at the same time at all. So it's a destruction of simultaneity. In conclusion, relativity is very confusing, so sorry if this video is also confusing. However, it's very interesting and something that we should think about more in depth if it doesn't make our brains hurt. And I learned a lot at this lecture. I'm still not completely 100% clear on everything, but it was really interesting to see all of these new things in a new perspective.